mentioned to us some.
Judge Mushtak Parker's retraction of an incident alleging that he was physically assaulted, allegedly by impeached Judge President John Hlophe, is under the lens of scrutiny. This as judges of the Western Cape bench took turns in various virtual testimonies, confirming that Judge Parker made this allegation, which is also captured in an affidavit deposed on the 25th of February 2019. First up was Judge Derek Villa, the colleague who played a critical role in the drafting and safekeeping of the said affidavit that details what was effectively described as a traumatic event.
At the time that he deposed to this affidavit in front of me, he brought a key along, which was the key which he said broke when he fell down against the bookcase that houses some of the legal books in his chambers after he had been struck by the Judge President. He showed me the key, the broken key. He put it on my desk. Out of caution, I decided to take a photograph of the key, which I have in front of me, and I kept it on my mobile phone.
Numerous judges sang the same tune, including fellow colleague Judge Elizabeth Steyn, who had a similar recollection of events, which she narrated before the fact-finding body.
One stage, as I was walking past his chambers and feeling sorry for him, I stopped and I said to him, I'm really sorry about what's going on in your life. It must be very difficult. But just tell me, is it really true? Were you actually really assaulted? Or did you just mistake the fact that there was an assault? And he said, no, I was actually really assaulted. And he then conveyed to me exactly what had happened. The same that we've heard so far. Also how he'd been pushed against the cupboard, how the key had broken.
Judge Parker is also facing a second complaint relating to dishonesty by the Cape Bar Council in connection with the affairs of his former law firm. It's alleged that Judge Parker knew of and failed to disclose these affairs in his interview for judicial office, as articulated by witness advocate Andrew Breitenbach, SC.
The Bar Council's submission is that the respondent's conduct described is incompatible with or unbecoming of the holding of judicial office and or constitutes a willful, alternatively grossly negligent breach of his duty to uphold the integrity of the judiciary imposed on him by the Code of Conduct.
The panel will have to establish if Judge Parker lied under oath in retracting his allegation of an assault, and if he lied by omission by failing to disclose information relating to the affairs of his former law firm. The tribunal will continue on the 29th of April 2025. Canny, Maphanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.